Hi, I'm Sophie, and it's already 24 past 3 a.m. And I think it's not visible, but it's 7 July 2025, and let's talk about something. What did I did before the 48 hours till now? So, and I believe that uh, a man a man, woman, every everybody can be fluent in English if he if if he can tell the whole things. Whole happening things from his birth to his current date in English. He will be must fluent in English without knowing even a single grammar and grammatical nothing, because when we Bengali talk to each other or write with the Bengali things, we don't need to know the grammar. I think grammar is for the people who are the type of poetical people or the language scientist type. So, as a general person, I think it's not worth to uh, learn grammar. So that's it, my opinion. I might be wrong, and I also get a quote from a YouTuber named Vodka. Vodka from Canada. He's a nice guy. He tried to teach English with real things, and he also got a quote from the very popular quote internet or a very old quote. The quote is, if you know the 3000 odds, mainly 3000 odds in English, you will be fluent in 95%. If you get the most popular 3000 odd in your memory, you can understand almost 95% English. So why not we try this method, because as a low IQ person, I don't have I don't what this thing, I am very poor to remember the thing, because I think most with the we Durwal, and I try to remember things with what is this uh, general knowledge or practical happening things. আমি যে কোনো ঘটনা বাস্তবতার সাথে তুলনা করে মনে রাখতে পছন্দ করি, এবং এভাবেই হয়। And I think to only remember is not a good thing. মুখস্থবিদ্যা শুধু মুখস্থবিদ্যা is not ভালো. So let's talk about what did I do in the next in the past 48 hours. So for the past days before, পরশুদিন, I came from mentors and take a shower and eat lunch, and then take the Johor Namaz. Basically, I am not a good religious person. Sometimes I do not practice pray or any religious activities for 1 or 2 months, and sometimes I practice every day. Every what is this? I mean Fajr, Johor, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. So I after the shower I take my Johor prayer in the here, not masjid, and then I uh, then I eat. Oh, already eat. So then I try to uh, remember the things. What should I need to do now? And then I thought I have a lot of things to do because in this field I need to learn and earn, and I almost mark one or two, three topics, and each topic almost 20 to 20. Now, one topic 24 videos. Other topics called brand strategies only one videos, and other topic called uh, tag manager. It's also 21 videos, and every video is uh, almost 2 hours. So I think I need to watch all of this video because I mark this as my next level journey to improve my uh, capability. Because if I don't learn new things, I will be throw garbage. Because as the age of AI, uh, we need to we need to update ourselves. If someone don't update, he will be fall behind. Because I almost 50 or 60, I don't know, when the calculator was first uh, calculator was first involved, scientists or some other things or some others well-known uh, people from the society talk. This is the worst talk like that. This is the worst thing ever. The calculator is invented, and the man's memory will be gone. People don't uh, try to uh, remember. Don't need to multiple divided, and they try to prevent the calculator from that days. I mean, it's a long no day ago with uh, 500 or 600, or I don't know when the calculator was first involved. And that's the thing is the happening when the ChatGPT type AI first introduced. People and all others, a man, all others, famous person try to uh, tell that this gonna be breakout man's incredible ইনভেন আরে কি মানুষের আরে চিন্তা শক্তি লোপ লোপ করে দেবে এই টাইপের কথাবার্তা, বাট I think that will not be happen. Because uh, when we have the when you don't have the calculator, everybody need to uh, 5 into 5 multiple and try to, and when the calculator involved, everybody say capability was uh, multiple, and they work much faster, much more things. And when the steam engine was invented, before that only the gorur gari, I mean cows. What is this thing? Cow or horse type of the vehicle are only go through the market. And when the steam engine is involved, nobody tried to uh, go back, because steam engine is much faster. So how do you think the uh, horse riders gonna be die without starving? No, they need to upgrade their skill and try to be a driver of the steam engine, bus, truck, something like that. So I think that's type of the things is the uh, AI in the age. So everybody should be familiar with this, because in this type of age we don't need to go to the older version. We don't need to go to the years, thousands of years ago on the cave. So we are improving and improving. That's the man. That's the universe. Oh, what did I so so let's forget this, and uh, let's talk about my last 48 hours. In the 48 hour, oh, okay, oh, then I sit on my chair and found a movie from the our honorable sirs, and the movie name was Unopanchas Batas, and I saw it on the Bill type Bill apps, apps or website, that's same. And the movie was incredible, because it's some similar of the common people lives, and it also some similar of my life too. And then I watch and finish this and wrote a little short feedback from here and post it on our WhatsApp group. And then I uh, need to oh, then I open my previous teaching things, I mean list, and then I open the first to-do list and open my first module video. And I think on that day I only saw one or two video, and then I close it. And then I saw a other video, one of the Bangladeshi YouTubers. I its YouTube channel name is English Bully, and one of his English teaching YouTube videos name is কিছুই পারি and I saw this. It's almost 8 hours long, and after saw this, my head is gone mess up, because at the previous day I tried to learn English with natural conversion, but when I watch this the long video, I mean 8 hours, only thought things, person, subject, object, verb. I think grammatical things gonna be mess up my heads, and I don't really like that. So I go to sleep, and I sleep well. I think almost 8 hours, and then today I woke up almost uh, 7, 8 a.m. And then I try to forget the grammar and focus to my general teaching to-do list. And then in this day I watch 10 video, and you can ask me 10 video means, you already before said that on video almost 2 hours, so how did you see the 10 videos? That's the thing, that's the point. I increase the playback speed on 2x, and I also used to do this type of habits. I watch the tutorial on YouTube on twice x speed, so I am used to this. And this is the to-do list I also familiar with before, because most of the things is familiar to me, so I don't have any issue to watch this. And I don't exercise, only watching. If I need to uh, learn something from the 2 hours to from the 1 minute or 2 minutes, I only practice that. So that's why I finished 10 videos, and it take almost 14 hours. I mean 14 ঘন্টা. In this time, uh, I also sometimes tired and go to bed and try to wake up, because it's holiday, and it's also holiday for the our my client's country. It's Sunday, so that's why I really need this day to improve my capability. And um, almost 12 p.m. I ate my lunch and finished the last tutorial. And when it was 2 a.m., it's all a.m. I I go to bed for sleep, but I cannot sleep. I don't know why, but sometimes it's happened with me. Sometimes I cannot sleep. I don't know why, because sometimes আরে ভাই ঘুম আসে না এটাই বলতে যাচ্ছি sometimes uh, sleep is not come. uh, why I don't know, so I try to sleep almost uh, 1 hours and 15 minutes, I mean 1 ঘন্টা 15 minutes, and then I think why not I woke up and try to practice some English in front of camera. So I woke up and wash my head, because I am a man, so I don't need to any what is this, face wash, saban, shampoo, nothing, only water, face water. I wash my head, and from the I what is this, mop, mucha, wipe my head with the towel and sit on in front of my webcam and make the video. So I think that's my last 40 years hour. Sometimes some little bit small things will be forgotten to include in the video. But I think if I continue this type of video record for the 1 month regular, I will be fluent in English within the 3 months. I don't guarantee it, but I think I might be wrong. But sometimes my heart say that if I talk in front of camera like this with real things, real happening things from my last 40 to 24 hours, I will be fluent in English in 3 months. So uh, it's almost three, no, three, almost uh, quarter to 4 a.m. I mean 3:45. So let's try to sleep. Thank you everyone. Oh, I know people have the obvious. What is this obvious to watch short video, TikTok video, so they don't care about the long 15 minutes or 20 minutes video. I know that, but I love to make this video because I don't care about the view. I only care about what I learn from it. So that's it for me. Thank you everyone.